Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3 of the Pro Series, presented by Metropolitan Floors. Moisture testing, concrete subfloors. Look at this concrete subfloor. Bone dry, hard as a rock, and ready to install over, right? Not so fast. Even concrete that looks completely cured can contain enough moisture to damage any floor you lay on top of it. Today, we'll show you signs of potential problems and tests you can do to ensure your subfloor is within acceptable moisture levels. Let's start with identifying problems. Scan your subfloor for obvious things like mold, watermarks, or discoloration. They're clear signs of a moisture issue. How the water got there usually comes down to two things: improper drainage and physics. Water will always follow the path of least resistance, so if the concrete slab is drier than the soil beneath it, moisture will inevitably travel into the concrete. Sometimes it's obvious you have a moisture problem. Other times you'll need to test your concrete subfloor. There are several you can use, including a relative humidity probe, but a simple low-tech test can often suffice. Simply tape a piece of 6mm poly over top of your subfloor before you go home for the day. The next morning, if the poly is dry, you're good to proceed. If there is condensation, a Class 1 vapor barrier or roll-on vapor retarder will be needed. A few dollars of vapor barrier can be insurance for thousands of dollars of flooring. And that's the hard truth. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and happy installing.